Days and weeks went by, the letter disappeared. Maybe someone lost it many miles from here. I recall that Monday morning, the letter came back to my home.
I was quite young. I started with the violin. Actually, I was 8 years old when I started playing the violin. And I always loved listening to country music because my parents are very much into it. And I grew up in the countryside, so we always had that lifestyle pretty much. We have horses and, always had like cowboy boots and all that.
Until I started walking on my own feet for the first time, and all the voices faded till all